So here we are going to write print underscore r and row. So why I'm going to use print underscore r? Because this array, this function will return our array, and our array like is able to print our function in PHP. Okay, so save this code and going back to the Chrome browser and refresh the page over here, and let's write the proper username and password 123456. Okay, and press enter, and yes, we are getting the data 0. Okay, 1 id 1 is Kaushik Datta, name is Kaushik Datta, 2 is Kaushik, username is Kaushik, okay, and 3 is 12345 6, and password is 12345 6. Fine. So actually this is an array, fine, but we are not getting what exactly it is. For that, let me do one more thing. Let me write a echo with the pre tag, okay, preview tag, and save it, and refresh once again, and now we will get to know. Yes, fine. 0 1 1 is Kaushik, 2 is Kaushik, 3 is the password. Right now id is 1, name is Kaushik, username is Kaushik, okay, password is 123456. Fine, got it. It means the data having 0 1 2 3 4 array, right? So let's go back to the code and commenting these things, okay, this line of codes, and let me check. Okay, so here one thing we need to do. So let's check if the row is array or not. Okay, so for that we're going to use a function is array. Fine, is array is a function which is able to check it is an array or not. So simply pass a variable, a row variable that is coming from here. Okay, and if it is array, okay, so here we are going to use a variable, a session variable, dollar underscore session. Okay, and here I'm going to put a id equal to dollar row of id. Fine. Okay, and if you want to change, this is user id. Okay, this is going to be the user defined, like you can define whatever you want, like whatever id. Okay, so this is not suitable. I'm going to put user id, but this row id, it is coming from here. Okay, hope we getting this all. This id means though this id. Okay, so basically we are going to store this row id into a session variable which is user id, or which is going to be the user id. So next we are going to put a same thing, but the variable name is going to change. It's going to be like user underscore name. Okay, and let's go back to the browser. This is going to be username, copy this and going back to the code, and paste this username. Okay, this is going to the same. Let's change it unit. Okay, fine. Okay, done. And uh, okay, okay, fine. And what we need to do, uh, okay, so remember, here we